published Wednesday, May 2, 2018. A competitive analysis of this global market has also been presented, wherein key market players have been thoroughly reviewed to determine the market's grading. The major players upgrading the global liquid solder flux market for the growth of consumers is mentioned in this study. The latest market intelligence study on liquid solder flux market relies on statistics derived from the application of both primary and secondary research to present insights pertaining to the operational model, opportunities, and competitive landscape of liquid solder flux market for the forecast period, 2018 to 2025. Importantly, the research taps critical data about the niche segments, market share, size, and growth rate to offer business owners, field marketing executives and stakeholders a competitive edge over others operating in the same industry. Deep dive into customer-focused aspects including spending power, shifting customer preferences and consumption volume further narrates a lot about the business processes in vogue and product utilization for the forecast period, 2018 to 2025. Get the sample copy of report at https://www.marketexperts.com/sample-enquiry-form/7169. Scope of the report. In addition, the research on the liquid solder flux market concentrates on extracting valuable data on swelling investment pockets, significant growth opportunities and major market vendors to help understand business owners what their competitors are doing best to stay ahead in the competition. The research also segments the liquid solder flux market on the basis of the end-user, product type, application and demography for the forecast period 2018 to 2025. Detailed analysis of critical aspects such as the impacting factor and competitive landscape are showcased with the help of vital resources like charts, tables, and infographics. In market segmentation by manufacturers, the report covers the following companies: Kester, ITW, Civolite Alpha Assembly Solutions, Ames Solder Indium Corporation, Mauser Canfield Technologies, Wharton Metals Limited, The Harris Products Group. Market segment on the basis of product. The report covers soldering flux, elective solder flux, authorje. The more details about the liquid solder flux report at https://www.marketexperts.com/make-enquiry-form/7169. Market segment on the basis of application. The report covers SMT assembly, semiconductor packaging. Author. There are 14 chapters to deeply display the liquid solder flux market. Chapter 1, to describe liquid solder flux. Introduction, product scope, market overview, market opportunities, market risk, market driving force. Chapter 2, to analyze the top manufacturers of liquid solder flux, with sales, revenue, and price of liquid solder flux, in 2016 and 2018. Chapter 3, to display the competitive situation among the top manufacturers, with sales, revenue and market share in 2016 and 2018. Continue. Browse the full report at https://www.marketexperts.com/report-details/liquid-solder-market-size-share-trends-analysis-report-by-product-by-region-and-segment-forecasts-2018-2025 about U.S. planning to invest in market intelligence products or offerings on the web. Then Market Experts has just the thing for you. Reports from over 500 prominent publishers and updates on our collection daily to empower companies and individuals catch up with the vital insights on industries operating across different geography, trends, share, size, and growth rate. There's more to what we offer to our customers. With Market Experts you have the choice to tap into the specialized services without any additional charges. Contact U.S. 40 Wall Street, 28th floor, New York City, 10005 United Status. Sales at marketexperts.com. 1-800-819-3052. Follow link. Twitter, https://twitter.com/marketexperts. Follow link. LinkedIn, https://www.linkedin.com/company/market-experts. 1/follow link. Google+, https://plus.google.com/u/o/116346269222154419019. Follow link. Facebook, https://www.facebook.com/market-experts-18037041296489331/market-experts has just the thing for you. Reports from over 500 prominent publishers and updates on our collection daily to empower companies and individuals catch up with the vital insights on industries operating across different geography, trends, share, size, and growth.